Hey, this is Ben with the CX team. One of the cool features that we have in these Western Stars is custom switch covers and custom programs. So our switches will do basically whatever it is that we tell it to do. Pretty neat feature. I'm going to show you how to change these switch covers out. We're going to replace these option 3, option 2, these generic covers with some specific covers for the feature that's in them. And this can very easily be done by you over the road. So we're going to pull these out, we're going to replace the switch cover, and then we'll move on with life, and it'll look nice. So we're going to start with these tabs that lock the entire switch bank into the dash. And we're going to pull it out. On this center one with our 8 switch bank, our main switch panel, there's a third lock in the center that surrounds the emergency lights, the hazard switch. But other than that, the locks are the same. And we're going to just simply slide them out of the dash. We're going to then unplug the hardwired connector on the back. Then on top and bottom, we're going to release the locks on the switch. Once we have the switch removed from the switch panel, then I just gently pry on either side to remove it from the switch. And I put on the corresponding cover. So now I have a factory cover that's going to run my auxiliary PTO. I then install it in the exact opposite. I click it back in, being careful to install it square, and then plug my switch back in. I close my locks. I insert the switch panel into the dash. As simple as that. Thanks for watching.